Continuous remembrance. Lord Krishna says, "Those who remember me at the end of their life will undoubtedly reach me, and they will not have to take another birth." Just like we need to study and practice for a long time to pass an exam, we need to continuously remember God throughout our lives to recall Him at the end of our life. If we spend our entire life thinking about worldly things, bad thoughts and desires, those are the things that will come to our mind at the end of our life, not God. To remember God at the end of our life, we need to continuously think about Him, meditate on Him, and remember Him throughout our lives. We should not be lazy or careless about this, as it is crucial for our spiritual growth. May all our actions be dedicated to Lord Krishna. May all beings in the world be happy and prosperous. May we all be blessed with spiritual growth and enlightenment. Jai Sri Krishna.